I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy from Binance. First, you will need to set up your account. Begin by registering with your email or mobile number, then complete the essential identity verification process using a valid government-issued ID. This step is crucial for security and compliance. Finally, enable two-factor authentication, such as Google Authenticator or SMS, to add an extra layer of protection to your new account. Once your account is ready, the next step is to fund it. You have several options. You can deposit fiat currency, like US dollars or euros, directly using a bank transfer or a credit or debit card. Alternatively, if you already own cryptocurrency, you can transfer it from another wallet into your Binance account. Always check the minimum deposit amounts and any associated transaction fees before proceeding. Now let's buy some crypto. For a straightforward purchase, use the Buy Crypto option, allowing you to directly exchange fiat for digital assets. If you prefer more control, navigate to the Trade section for spot trading, where you can choose from hundreds of trading pairs. Simply select the cryptocurrency you wish to acquire, enter your desired amount, and confirm the transaction. After successfully purchasing your cryptocurrency, it's important to manage your assets effectively. You can view your entire portfolio and transaction history within the Wallet section. For enhanced security of significant holdings, consider transferring them to a hardware or cold wallet. Additionally, explore Binance's various earning features, such as staking or flexible savings, to potentially grow your digital assets over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.